points that I'm pointing to is gallbladder 21. So in traditional Chinese medicine, this point, if a person has a lot of frustration, anger, agitation, maybe it's at home, maybe it's at work, maybe just life is difficult, this is an amazing point to work this energy here. It's also on the top of the trapezius muscle. It's from the midway of the spine, which we call due 14, to the acromion process. It's midway through. But if you don't know how to measure that, just kind of find the fatty tissue here that usually is pretty tight. You can use your fists, or if you're pulling, you can put some oil and really work it on yourself. So I would say so we need a little bit of oil here because it's really tight, but you can kind of see this is tight. If you're pregnant, this is definitely not a point you want to work, because when you push the energy down, you don't want to lose a baby. This is okay to use if you're in delivery and you want to have a baby, then that's the point you're going to want to work. That's one of the points you'd like to work. I'm going to take my Pure Wave machine and I'm going to slightly move her head. And if you come around at this angle, you'll kind of see, here's the acromion process of, of the shoulder. And I've got it in this fat little pad here. This is the clavicle. I'm not putting it on the clavicle. I'm actually putting it in this point. How does that feel? Does it feel good? Does it feel like it's relaxing?
Mm-hmm,
Does it feel like a point you need?
Yes.
Good. So this client here has sciatic pain. She has a lot of neck pain. This point can reduce neck pain. I don't want you to take your Pure Wave anywhere up on the neck, but it's okay to use in these larger muscle groups. So I'm just going to create this vibration. She definitely does have some neck pain. She has upper back pain, mid back pain, low back pain, right sciatic pain. So we've already done a few things, but this is just another point we can use. This shoulder also hurted, didn't it? So let's go ahead and we'll move over to her shoulder because her shoulder hurts it as well. Where does it hurt the most? Anteriorly?
Right in there.
Okay, so on the clavicle here we have lung 2, lung 1. So I'm going to go ahead, let me know where it feels the best. Is it sore there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm going to move around. I'm going to just go ahead and leave your arm there. I'm just going to kind of put points just to move a little bit of chi. We're going to work the anterior, the middle, and the posterior deltoid. We've just worked GB21, and now we're just going to work some of this energy here. Is it pretty painful? Yeah, it can be pretty intense. So I'm barely touching this Pure Wave to her. I'm not putting a lot of pressure like I could. What I'm trying to do is just move some chi and blood. I'll probably have to cup this area as well and maybe put a couple needles in it. What do you think the pain level is for you? Scale of 1 to 10.
7.
It's a 7, so it's pretty intense. Does it come down here too?
No.
Nope. So just mostly up in the deltoid. So this is approximately Li14. Is that top painful?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we'll just lightly leave it there.